Alright, practice problem 4.3. Predict the identity of the precipitate that forms when aqueous solutions of barium chloride and potassium sulfate are mixed. Write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction. Alright, so for this, the first thing we need to do is that we know that we have barium chloride, okay, and we have potassium sulfate. Well, what are the ions those are composed of? Well, we have Ba plus 2 and Cl minus. We also have K plus and SO4, 2 minus. Okay, because we need to be able to predict the products of the reaction. Alright, so the first thing we know is that if we swap these, right, because what we do is we swap the cation from one to the anion of the other, and the same with the other. Okay, and so what we end up with is we have BaSO4, okay, and we have KCl. And then we have to look at whether they're soluble or insoluble. Okay, and what we find is that sulfate with barium is going to be insoluble, according to the solubility rules, and potassium chloride is going to be soluble. Okay, so then we can just say, let's write out that equation. So we have barium chloride, right, from above, okay, and that's going to be an aqueous solution because we're told that. We're reacting it with potassium sulfate, which is also aqueous, and then we're producing barium sulfate, okay, which is going to be insoluble, so we're going to form a solid there, plus we're forming KCl, okay, and so we know that is going to be aqueous as well because we said it was soluble. Alright, so the last thing we have to do is just balance the equation, and the only thing we have to do is add a 2 in front of this potassium chloride to balance it.